Okay, so this is the first problem that we are going to discuss. A force of F equal to 6 I cap, F equal to 6 I cap minus 8 j cap acts on a particle and displaces it over 4 meter along the x-axis and then displaces it over 6 meter along y-axis. The total work done during the two displacements. Okay, so what is this? What kind of question is this? We have given a we are provided a force and we are provided a displacement, and force is constant. Okay, so if force is constant, we can simply take the dot product of force and the displacement. So very simple question. So first we are going to, we have these four options. Okay, so first we are going to do is we will write the force 6 I cap minus 8 j cap. Then we have written the displacement. So displacement, that is 4 unit along x direction, so 4 I cap, 6 unit along y direction, so 6 j cap. Okay. Then we have to take the dot product. So if we take the dot product, we are going to get 6 into 4, 24, and 8 into 6, minus 48. So we'll get minus 24 joule. Okay, so very simple question.